I still can't believe it that this has happened with my little, sweet little film. And yes, the National Award was like the icing on the cake.
Oh, this is the first time that we are doing this, doing the episode with none other than my favorite Bhumi. And as I was telling her, यार आप कैसे करते हो? You keep changing yourself, you keep transforming. How do you do it?
Lot of hard work, yeah. Loads and loads and loads of hard work.
Yeah.
That's the only way to do it, na?
Now, considering I've been 110 kgs at one point of
Whoa,
time.
look at
high
you
five.
now.
तो कौन से जिम?
जी मेरे घर के पास ही एक बहुत ही बढ़िया जिम
हाँ।
इंच बाय इंच
I know.
और मेरे पास एक बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेनर है प्रणय तो अगर आप में से किसी को जिम ज्वाइन करना है प्लीज प्रणय के साथ work
You have called trouble. अभी इंच बाय इंच सारे लड़के वहाँ पे खड़े होने वाले हैं कि भूमि इधर ही आती है. But seriously, first of all, congratulations. How
Thank
does it
you.
feel to be a part of a national award-winning film?
Wow, it feels honestly very surreal. I still can't believe it that this has happened with my little, sweet little film. And yes, the National Award was like the icing on the cake. But you know, पूरा पिछला साल और जितना भी अभी तक साल खत्म हुआ, it's been so great. Like you know, the way the people enjoyed our film, the love we got from the audiences, then the awards,
Yeah.
and now the National Awards. So I'm still pinching myself. Oh my God, has this really
Just
happened?
about to ask you that. Do you keep pinching
Yes,
yourself?
I do, man.
Yeah?
Like, believe me, I'm always like, I wake up in the morning and I'm like, you're living your dream, Bhumi. Gratitude, humbleness, you're living your dream. So very happy.
Because you know when I was reading up about you, मुझे कहीं पे भी ये नहीं लिखा कि आपने लोगों को पहले से बताया था कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है and all that stuff. तो वो hidden ambition था या फिर you know it just happened?
No, जी hidden ambition था because I was 12 when I decided I want to be an actor, and very few people in my life knew about it. Like my mother and my best friends, my sister, my family knew about it. But when I started working, I didn't really tell anybody this because you know I started working when I was really young, and you're really confused, right? So I was like, अब मैं direct करूँगी. मुझे ये पता था फिल्में करनी है. मेरी acting का passion was purely with me. Like professionally, I didn't tell anybody. But then I worked with Shanu Sharma, and I remember her telling me once that you know you don't want to direct. If you wanted to, your script would have been ready. You're an actor, just do it. So and it's so funny because she'd started. I'd started working on it and I'd started working out and everything, and then I found out I lost like a good amount of weight, and then I found out that Dam Laga Ke Haisha is happening, so I had to gain all of it back, but I did it happily.
अरे बाप रे मतलब पहले पूरा weight lose करो उसके बाद पूरा gain करो वड़ा पाव must be
Pretty
your favorite.
much. Butter chicken.
Butter chicken?
Butter chicken, a margherita pizza, dal makhni, naan. I can survive on it.
बाकी जितनी भी एक्टर्स हैं सुन रही हैं बेहोश हो जाएंगे सुन के कि यू नो किसको मिलता है ऐसा कि हाँ बेटा तुम बटर चिकन खाओ तुम मार्गरेटा पिज्जा खाओ यू नो यू मस्ट बी मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्ट्रेसेस जेलस विद दैट ना
Well, I'm sure because everybody loves food, man. So yeah, for sure.
फूड के साथ साथ यू नो देयर आर सम थिंग्स दैट आई एम श्योर आपने कई बार की होंगी और कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं की होंगी सो वी आर गोना डू नेवर एवर हैव आई विद यू हियर्स योर स्लेट दिस इज फॉर नेवर हैव आई एंड दिस इज फॉर हैव आई आई एम गोना आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस इन अपने फटाफट
Okay.
कि आपने किया है
Whoa, I'm getting a little nervous.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे मतलब मैं आपका नंबर नहीं मांगने वाला हूँ
Thanks, yeah.
So never have I ever lied to get out of a relationship. किया है
Please,
अच्छा
details मत पूछ रहा है.
यार मतलब
Next
नाम मत
question, नहीं,
नाम
नहीं,
मत
नहीं.
बताओ डिटेल्स बता दो
नहीं कर सकती मैं. But I was in college that time.
So what was the lie that you gave?
I can't.
As you can't even tell
I
that.
can't because that person will know. How can I do that? No, I
I am
can't.
sure उस इंसान को पता चल गया
Believe me, I was good at it. I've always been a very good actor. So
I should have asked
I
how
got
many
it.
have been. चलिए called in sick because I was too tired. नहीं काम करना मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ.
okay, come on, let's just be truthful.
Was it डम लगा क्या ये show?
Oh no. This was when I used to like assist in everything, and Shanu is like an elder sister to me, right? तो कैसे कभी-कभी मम्मी से घर पे ऐसे कहते हैं ना झूठ वो वाले innocent झूठ होते थे. शानू मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ. शानू बोलती थी भूमि you're a fraud. I know you are lying.
She knew it.
Yeah.
तो शानू मतलब कितना झूठ बोला गया
Always
Okay, flip something from a hotel room as a kid or as a grown up यार.
Never.
नहीं वो शैम्पू साबुन बाथरोब्स
नहीं नेवर।
No?
मैंने एक बार बाथरूम की वो होती है ना वो
Bathroom slippers?
हाँ, और वो मैंने ली नहीं थी, वो मजबूरी थी क्योंकि मेरे जूते मेरी दोस्त पहन के चली गई थी, सो आई डिडंट हैव एन ऑप्शन। मैं पूरे दिन टॉवल के बाथरूम की चप्पलों में घूम रही थी।
मतलब that must have been side कि भूमि पेडनेकर with towel चप्पल, very nice. Wished I had done a contemporaries role.
Oh yeah, I have
कौन सा
definitely.
role था वो?
जी बहुत सारे, like you know, इतनी brilliant फिल्में आई हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में, like you know, be it a Piku, be it an NH10, like whenever you see a good film, you would always want to be like, wow, man, I would want to be a part of this film, not that I would do it better or, you know.
Actually, you would have been amazing in Piku, man.
Thank you.
Sorry, Deepika, but you know. All right. Gossiped about a co-star.
My co-star has only been one, Ayushmann Khurrana, and there's no gossip about him. Ayushmann is a very nice Sita guy, so I never have.
Wished to be a star kid. ये तो हुआ.
Never.
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 Even when like the road was tough and you know, नहीं.
I love my family. I love the kind of setup I come from. I love the way my life has panned out, and I've worked really hard, and I've never wished it because I'm very proud of where I am. Never.
We are also very proud of you. Regretted a date. This one is fun.
I have. Like,
ऐसा क्या हुआ था उस डेट में? I wanted to.
आप ऐसे डिटेल्स पूछ ही नहीं सकते अगर उन्होंने देख लिया फिर।
तो क्या हुआ? नहीं हुआ ना workout date.
So there was this one time that I was set up on a date when I was this is like 2-3 years ago, and that guy wasn't from India, NRI guy, and I went, and it was the most boring date of my life because we just didn't have anything to speak about.
How's the weather?
Yeah, it was worse than that.
Yeah?
Oh, I like your shoes. Yeah, have a sip of water. So you want to order? It was the awkwardest date of my life.
He said he loves your shoes.
Yeah, like it was
I'm
one
glad
of those.
that the date didn't work out for you. उसका कुछ होने नहीं वाला था. Even you know that. All right. Regretted a red carpet wardrobe. कि मैं क्यों पहन के चली गई?
Never.
No?
अभी तक जो भी मैंने किया है, I've been very happy. Thank you, Shaina, for not letting me have a regretful moment.
Okay.
I really own up to my style. Like, this is how I am, man.
Cool, yeah. Had a crush on a school teacher.
Never.
Liar.
I swear. You know, I come from a school called Arya Vidya Mandir in Bombay, and वहाँ पे
That explains it.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे जब staff भी आता था, we would get up and say नमस्ते दीदी, नमस्ते भैया. तो आप समझ रहे हो, थोड़ा उस तरीके का माहौल था. तो
भूमि मेरा मतलब आपके लिए बहुत सिंपैथी है अभी, मतलब बेचारी को कोई मजा नहीं मिला स्कूल में यार.
नहीं मजे तो मिले हैं.
हाँ,
स्कूल टीचर में कभी क्रश नहीं था.
स्कूल के बाकी लड़के थे उन पे.
हाँ, कोई स्कूल था. आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी फन स्कूल.
आई होप आपने उन्हें हाउ यू भैया
नहीं.
Alright. Try too hard to get opposite sex attention in a coffee shop.
Never have I. I've always gotten it, even when I was bigger. Even now, I'm just blessed. Thank you, God.
Bigger. I love the way she's like, even when I was bigger, attention
Yeah.
तो सीक्रेट बता दो बहुत सारी लड़कियों को, क्योंकि मेरी बहुत सारी दोस्त हैं, वो कहती है यार आई एम नॉट हॉट एंड दे कीप फ्लिकिंग देयर हेयर जैसे लड़का देखती है.
Hotness, I feel, is in your head. Like, you know, honestly, I've been asked this question a lot of times. You know, how did you feel when you were overweight? I was like, even today, even then, when I saw myself in the mirror, I always saw, wow, what a beautiful, hot girl. So in my head, I think I'm just really full of myself. So I've never felt the need to be it. I think I am it. So.
एक्चुअली क्योंकि मैं मोटा था तो मुझे भी उस समय कभी रियलाइज नहीं होता कि मैं कितना मोटा था. We never know, right?
Correct. Like I was always like confident.
Yeah.
And I think that also comes from your family. I strongly believe because you know my family never made me feel like I have any sort of a drawback in me.
Yeah.
या मैं किसी और से कम हूँ.
Your friends.
Yeah, like I would dress the way I want. I partied equally. I got the same amount of attention from the opposite sex. So my life was really good.
पर ऐसा होता है कभी when we go back and look at those pictures like हम कैसे दिखते थे यार, उस समय बिल्कुल रियलाइज नहीं होता है.
सर मेरे लिए तो एक पूरी फिल्म है तो.
Oh no, but you were damn cute in that film. Yeah.
Thank
I mean, I loved her. Now हम एक मजेदार चीज करेंगे. नेवर एवर हैव आई तो हो गया. इट्स कॉल्ड डायलॉग बाजी. तो हम आपको एक डायलॉग देंगे, लेकिन आपको हम ये भी बताएंगे आपको किस स्टाइल में बोलना है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, these are your dialogues and the first one you have to say as a tele brand girl.
Okay.
It's an iconic dialogue. भूमि पेडनेकर for the first time.
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम ऑडिशन हो रहा है लाइव. हे भगवान.
पहले नहीं दिया तो अब दो.
इस एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत आप तो नहीं जानोगे रमेश बाबू. God, I'm so bad at this. Can we not do this?
देखो टेली ब्रांड गर्ल तो सॉरी भूमि आप नहीं बन पाओगे.
बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
एक्ट्रेस ही ठीक है.
Cancel. I've lost one job. Shit.
All right. ये वाला आपको इन शाहरुख खान स्टाइल करना. You like him?
I love him, but let me see how much of him can I do.
Let's
I've
see
never
how
done
big
this.
a fan Bhumi is.
Hey, बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना.
शाहरुख खान
little.
शाहरुख खान फैन तो है भाई. All right. This is my favorite. ये आपको मच्छी वाली की स्टाइल में बोलना है.
मच्छी ले लो. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. मच्छी.
देखो टेली ब्रांड गर्ल तो भूमि नहीं बन पाएगी पर मच्छी वाली एनी डे यू कैन फाइंड हर इन वर्सोवा. किसी भी दिन ये बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगी. एंड दिस वन इज माय फेवरेट इन सलमान खान स्टाइल.
हे भूमि, नाम तो सुना होगा.
All right, the next Khan heroine we have sitting with us. Now this is the rapid fire questions.
Yes.
Obviously I'm not Karan Johar, but हम अपने स्टाइल में करेंगे.
Okay.
If you were to write an autobiography, what would you call it?
Epicness personified.
Oh, तेरी बहुत इंग्लिश हो गई भाई. If you could eat one food forever, what would it be?
Butter chicken for the rest of my life.
Seriously? That big a fan?
Allah.
One actor you would like to date?
Ryan Gosling.
कितनी स्मार्ट है. हेडलाइन नहीं बनानी इसलिए रायन गॉसलिंग बोल दिया. वहां जाके थोड़ा ना होगा. बट इंडिया में
पता नहीं यार, सोचा नहीं, सोच के बता.
सोचा तो रोज है बट बोलना नहीं.
हाँ.
चलो ठीक है.
You've saved me, thanks.
All right. If not here giving an interview right now, where would you be and what would you be doing?
If I wasn't here, I probably would be in the gym because this is around this time is where, or I would be home watching a film.
Which is inch by inch. All the guys remember. What's the funniest prank you have ever played or has been played on you?
Okay, this was really mean. I don't think this was funny. But my cousin has a phobia of cats. Okay, and I don't know what came into us, but we were at a friend's place who has like a pet cat. So she entered and we just like sort of threw the cat on her, and it was a little kitten, yeah, not like threw like, and she got so scared. At that time it felt really funny, but right now, sorry bro, I did that to you. I know it's really mean.
I never could have thought that Bhumi is one of those जो pranks करती है. What does your name mean?
My name means earth. Dharti, dharti, mata, prithvi.
माता तो नहीं जाता आपके साथ. One Hollywood celebrity you lust after.
Ryan Gosling.
Seriously? That big a Ryan
yeah. I
Gosling?
love-
What
I
is
think
with
he
Ryan
is-
Gosling and girls, yeah?
Because have you seen The Notebook?
Yeah,
Like,
I have.
oh my god. Like, after watching The Notebook, I don't know that it's unreal. How can you not fall in love with that man? Like, that is the man you want. Like, he's just gorgeous and beautiful.
A childhood injury you remember?
I got hit on my head and I still have like a bit of a दिख रहा है ball spot.
मतलब I was
हाँ,
trying
वो
to-
थोड़ा अभी हील हो गया है, बट बहुत जोर से लोहे का दरवाजा मुझे लगा था मेरी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से. वो रिकॉइल होकर मैं अपनी नानी के घर पे थी जयपुर में, तो वहाँ तो बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं. सो वी वर प्लेइंग और मैंने जोर से धक्का दिया दरवाजे को. इट केम एंड इट हिट मी बैक. It's really bad.
मतलब you wouldn't ऐसे geeky gawky भूमि के बारे में सोचा नहीं था. One thing your mom doesn't approve of.
She thinks I am a little careless because I have a habit of losing things. Like मैं कभी laptop रिक्शा में छोड़ देती हूँ, phone कहीं घुमा देती हूँ. So I'm just very bad with electronics. So she gets really upset.
I hope आपके फोन से password लगे
जी
हुए
जी
हैं.
जी बिल्कुल. अभी तो मैं बहुत ही careful हूँ. Touch wood. Thank you God. I've not lost something in a while.
बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो बहुत खुश होंगे अगर भूमि का फोन मिल जाएगा. चलो भाई, तो thank you so much Bhumi for being with us. I absolutely love your acting in your
Thank you
film
so
and I
much.
hope to see you in so many more movies.
Thank you.
Alright, this is it for the first time. Bhumi with us and on the episode. Stay tuned to Spot Boy.